Welcome to High Tech with S. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Nitro VG series monitor. I'm going to be using this monitor in my $600 complete gaming PC, where I'm going to feature a build for AMD and Intel. So let's get into it. This box contains a speaker wire using a standard 3.5mm connector, a power cord, an HDMI cable, and lastly a VGA cable. And it includes the nice Game 4 red and black stand. The Acer Nitro VG220Q has an integrated 2-watt speaker with two HDMI 1.4 ports and a standard VGA port. Input and output for the 3.5mm speaker ports. One is for input, which you can input sound from your computer directly into this monitor, and the output for HDMI pass-through sound out, where you can connect the headset so you can monitor and hear the action that is on the screen. This monitor features a 75Hz IPS 1080p panel featuring the AMD's FreeSync technology. This monitor's viewable angle or size, it is 21.1 inches. The monitor is currently available on Amazon for $125.99, but it's frequently on sale for $99.99. When I purchased this monitor, I purchased it at that price, and in my personal opinion, it's simply one of the best monitors you can purchase at that price point. So let's talk about this monitor in a nutshell. I thought I would probably keep it pretty simple because this monitor is going to be detailed and featured in my next video in the series, where I feature computers that are gaming setups for under $650. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining me here at High Tech with S.